So today we're going to take a look at these Aromas de San Andres Coronitas. Come in this nice little wooden box. No top though. All individually wrapped, individually cellophaned and bound. These are a 5 by 36 ring gauge. So these are made by the Santa Clara Tobacco Company in Veracruz, Mexico. Same company that makes the Santa Clara 1830 brand, the Veracruz brand. I think there are a few others that they make as well. Hopefully we'll be trying them soon. This one, what they call their Coronita, is a 5 by 36 ring gauge. Has a mix of long and regular fillers from San Andres. The binder is a San Andres Morron Obscuro. And the wrapper is a fina Clara San Andres. Overall, the construction is very nice. The wrapper's nice as well. Banding. Capa I already put a punch hole into. The first third was definitely a tough draw. These are also very new. I just got them in, so I think with a little bit of age on them, that first draw probably mellow out a little bit more. Into the second third, it's definitely opened up a bit more. Creamy, tasty. I would say it's more of a probably light to medium, more on the lighter side for these. But overall, these are the Aromas de San Andres Coronitas. Enjoy.